everyone, welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas here on Planet Pearl. It's been a simple but lovely day here. I was 21 I think, and Amber had a big adventure on her walk with friends and had an absolute blast. But she was a little stinky, so my son decided to give her a bath. Usually when the boys play rough with her or annoy her, she would rush into my lap. Yeah, she thinks she's a lap dog. So my son had to carry her, which she wasn't thrilled about at all. But she handled it like a queen that she is, grumpy but stoic, to get back into her Majesty's good graces. I scrambled some eggs for her absolute favorite treat. She happily accepted them and then curled up for a nap. I love seeing her sleep peacefully. It is such a comforting and cute sight for me. Then it was just a routine day. I made lunch with some ramen noodles but added a bunch of veggies and egg to make it healthy. While I did get an advent calendar, I enjoy watching other people open their advent calendars. And there is this sweet girl on Instagram. She's also from New Zealand, but I'm not really sure where she's from. I'm thinking she's from Auckland. And I discovered her account only yesterday. Her handle is KnitKatieKnit. And her husband has made her an advent calendar that she opens every day. And I must tell you, I'm so enjoying it. She calls it her husband advent calendar. And really, what a beautiful way to encourage and celebrate her passions, right? So after all the chores and Amber had settled, I had some time to sit down and knit. I worked a little on my mini sock, and I also pulled out last year's Christmas socks from the Cozy Knitter. And it's such a cheerful project. I have just finished the heel flap on one of the sock, and I'm going to start the heel flap on the next one. And for this project, I'm using the Knit Pro carbon needles in the size 3, and I'm actually trying to figure out which sock knitting needles I enjoy the most. I do like Knit Pro Zings, but with time I find that I bend the needles and I may have broken the Knit Pro Symphony, and that's why I'm trying to see if there is these sock knitting needles for me. So yeah, and I have it tucked it in my Sandy by the Lakeside bag that I got last year. I love her bags, although international shipping now is so expensive. I wanted to sew a couple of project bags today, but didn't get around to it, and that's okay. There's always tomorrow, and the fabric is ready and waiting. I forgot to show you my mini socks. Here it is. I have turned the heel, and I have so that's the mini sock that I knit today. So those are my little joys for today. What have you been up to today? Please let me know in the comments. Also, thank you so much for stopping by and talking to me in the comments below. I love reading it, and it always makes me feel like we are a lovely group of friends chatting about our lives and what we do as crafters. So until tomorrow, take care. Bye.